I've heard a lot of things about the Adisis methodology that I thought they were extremely helpful for my organization, so I really wanted to come here to listen from Dr. Adisis what's going on with this thing that is revolutionizing the world.
What we have here is the intimate group of CEOs that have come from different parts of the world. There are two primary reasons they're here for. One is they've come to obviously be with Dr. Adisis, and for that we need to keep a very intimate setting, so we limit the attendance to 25. And the next thing is to create a space to come and understand the principles of Adisis, how to apply them in a more profound way.
It's been fascinating for me to talk to the different people with their different businesses and hear from them what their problems are, how they've solved them, how eChuck has helped them solve them.
When I heard about the CEO Forum, I said I need to be there.
It's hard for me to sit still, but I didn't want to leave.
It really helps to refresh. To hear Dr. Adisis is very inspiring, and very quickly you want to go back and work and implement new things.
I wish my wife came here because I personally think that this methodology is not only for business, it's for life, for personal growth, for everything.
The lectures are awesome, very rich, very full of concept, but also the interaction among the members and among the different point of views.
I cannot wait to recommend this.
It's been great. It's been amazing.
To step back from my company where I could, if nothing else, just think about how can I use what we're learning today and tomorrow and go home and apply it.